everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I want to do something just a little bit different today. Um, some friends of mine, Angie and Tiana, have started a new venture with Club Couture or Chalk Couture. And I signed up for the Club Couture because I thought, well, that's fun. It's a monthly thing. I get it every month. I don't have to shop because there's too many choices for me. I want them all. This way, it's a surprise to me every month what I'm going to get, and free shipping. And I love free shipping. So I thought I'd do like a little unboxing on. However, it's an envelope, which I will recycle because this will make a perfect journal cover. But it comes like this. This is a 11 by 14 envelope. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I kind of know what's in here because I saw it online, but okay. Oh, there's some paint. Okay. So looks like another envelope here. I got lots of stuff to recycle. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so let's see what this is. This is the Chalkology paste, washable paste in Tide. Oh, I love that color. That's beautiful. Couture Coral. You guys know I have a hard time saying that word. Couture. I'm just going to say couture. This one is the coral, and then this is Ocean Mist, which kind of looks like a very light gray blue. I hope you guys are getting that. It seems like there's a lot of glare there. Sorry about that. But anyway, then this envelope should have my stencil. Now, what I love about this is that, and I have not used this before, okay? I'm just going by what I've read. I believe you can reuse these stencils. But let's see. That's bigger than I thought it was going to be. So that's good. May the road rise up to meet you. That's an Irish blessing. Yeah, so it has the instructions. Okay. And I'm looking for there it is. The seal. I knew there had to be a way to get in here. So apparently after you use it, oh, it's got a neat texture. Oh, it smells like a swimming pool. I love that. It's not a typical stencil. There's no edge here. It's like a screen print. All of the white space is screen. So the chalk will go through, but you don't get as much bleed through that way. So that's really nice. I'm going to have to find something to put this on. I know I've got some canvases around here. I've got some wood. So I want to think on that and see what I want, and then what color I want. This color is nice, but I think the one, several of these, you could use different colors, the ones I've seen. So yeah, I don't know. And then apparently you just mush up the paste and put it in a little dish, and then you just kind of use like a credit card. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't have anything to do it on. I just wanted to show you what was in the box or envelope. But yeah, if you jump over to Angie's and Tiana's website, I will leave the link below. You will see the demonstrations of these. And so I think there's a lot more in these little envelopes than what you need. So they are going to be reusable. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, this is just on an auto ship for me. I'll get one every month, and I think these are kind of usually seasonal maybe. So that'll be fun for September, October, November, coming into the Christmas season. I'll have my decor ready to go. So I better line up some canvases and some boards and things. In fact, I could get my son on that, doing some boards for me. We have a pile of fence posts in the backyard that we've been recycling for a year. So yeah, so that's what I got in this, in my subscription box. I can't wait to do that. Now I will go ahead, and when I get ready to put this together for you, I will make a video so you can see it. But I just wanted to do an unboxing and mention Angie and Tiana. It's a mother-daughter team, friends of mine, and so if you're interested in something like this, check out their site. I will leave it in the description box, and contact them or order from them or sign up for the monthly subscription is called Club Couture, and if you sign up for the Club Couture, you get free shipping on this every month, but you also get other discounts. Last month I got free shipping on other orders, and you get like, I think you get other offers and things that aren't offered to the regular people. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Check them out on their site, and I'll talk to you later. Bye now.